All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. You guys know what time it is. We're going to be talking about none other than Pepe itself. Shout out to the Pepe community for showing tremendous amount of love. Appreciate each and every one of you guys. But yeah, let's take a look at what's happening with Pepe right now and of course what is yet to come. So if you're looking at the broader market, I'm sure at this point, the viewers on the channel are aware as to what's really happening. Donald Trump is the elected 47th president of the US. And if you did watch my videos over the course of the last 3 days, to be specific, I did mention that Wednesday is really going to be, the deciding factor as to how the market really reacted after the election is over. And, the market reacted in a really positive way because Donald Trump has won the election. Pepe up 16.2% right now, with the price of Pepe currently sitting at 0.0001. So it has knocked out a zero from its price, which is absolutely crazy to see. Up 16.8%. So in USD comparative, quite a big move for Pepe. In Bitcoin comparative as well, it's up 7.5% and about 5% in Ethereum comparative. Market cap is at about 4.2 billion, but that's not what I'm excited about. When I look at Pepe, look at the 24-hour trading volume. So over the course of the last 24 hours alone, so since our last update, Pepe's, volume has gone up another additional $1 billion. And that tells you everything you need to know in terms of, the excitement that's really being felt for, this meme coin. But you can look at the holder count. Holder count is also, about to touch a milestone at 300,000 holders. And we know, we've been covering this on the channel, Pepe's holder count has been in an upwards trajectory throughout the year of 2024, and that tells you everything you need to know in terms of interest when it comes to people accumulating Pepe into their portfolios. But before we get into it, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So the market cap is at about $74.4 billion, up 24.8%. So meme coins are definitely feeling the love right now. Pepe also, in terms of the top 10, is feeling the love. But we got to be quite frank. Over the course of the last 24 hours, majority of the market is actually feeling the love, not just Pepe itself. And a lot of people do tend to forget that, but you don't want to be forgetting that specific thing. Anyhow, Pepe, like I said, a lot of momentum on its side, but let's take a look at the price and really understand what's happening. So if you're looking at the Bitcoin dominance, Bitcoin dominance did see a little bit of a minor pullback, as you can see, since earlier today, due to the fact that now that the election details are out, you are seeing dominance decreasing. And now you guys are probably wondering, what does that really mean? Dominance usually does tend to decrease when uncertainty kind of decreases as well. Now, uncertainty is decreasing indeed because the US election results are finally out. So with that said, Bitcoin, on the other hand, has seen a little bit of a, also downwards retracement, but nothing too crazy. We're still in all-time high zone. I'm still not changing the Fibonacci retracement level. I'm not adjusting it until a little later, but we did see a new all-time high of none other than $76,300 for Bitcoin just a few hours ago. Historic, to say the least. So Bitcoin is still looking great, and I think, the next 2 months are going to be very interesting, which a lot of people were anticipating, that move, the excitement. I think that excitement is back in crypto due to this election outcome. And people need to understand how big of a revolutionary, when this really is for a president that actually supports crypto. That is the big deal. This is why a lot of people are excited. This is why the market is reacting in a positive way. And you are looking at Bitcoin feeling the love. But if you're looking at Pepe right now, Pepe has seen a beautiful bounce. So it has done exactly what we spoke about yesterday. But still, the all-time high from the previous all-time high earlier in March is still playing as a significant amount of resistance. But, if we're able to break out with the trading volume that you are looking at Pepe having right now, we still have about 2 hours until the daily candle closes. If the price of Pepe is able to close above that range, I do believe, I'm very confident that Pepe starts retesting the likes of the 1099 zone, potentially even making its way up to the September highs. And of course, after that, we know where Pepe is headed. I've been quite clear upon this over the course of the last few months. The resistance that we never retested since June, which was its all-time high, the resistance is at the 1460 zone, and it's looking more likely than ever that this time time around, we actually could see Pepe picking up traction once again. It still has a lot of momentum as far as the coins that are labeled quote unquote new, and the coins that are labeled new are the ones that never existed in the previous cycle, and Pepe is one of them, of course. And in terms of its market share, in terms of how much interest it has, it's still in the lead. Dog, we've had still holding at the top 4th spot, but Pepe, the narrative that it has brought to the crypto markets, I've been saying this from the beginning, is something that has been, it's like a little bit of a fresh chain, right? We've been used to seeing dogs, but now cats are picking up as well, and the frog coin. So very interesting to see. Let me know down below what you guys think, but I'm optimistic that we do see targets that we haven't seen for months and months start being retested now as the market is picking up traction once again. But let me know down below what you guys think. A shout out to the Pepe community for showing tremendous amount of love. We'll see you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.